Last time we met, we discussed this agenda, so it's spilling over into today's conversation. We went over InDesign, we reviewed the general setup or structure of the software. We started to construct files, so we reviewed the file setup. We looked at the page panel, and we addressed that that's the most important panel in InDesign. It allows us to manage our content. Since InDesign focuses on multi-page documents, that's the panel that allows us to manipulate and manage most of the information, and it allows us to see the content that we're working on. We also discussed that facing pages is the act of binding the document and setting it up to be bound. It allows you to put two pages together in what's called the spread format. So when you have a page by itself, you refer to it as a page. When you have two pages put together along a bind or facing each other, the entire document is referred to as a spread, and we still have individual pages within it. We talked about page count and concerns for page count. We discussed that if the document is going to be bound with a staple, the document's page count would be in multiples of 4. If the document is perfect bound, which means it has a flat spine and it's glued into the spine, the page count would be multiples of 2. We learned about columns and gutters, and the first thing that we're going to look at today is placing images within the document. So I'm going to launch InDesign again,